Hi, this is Abu Ibrahim from London. Today I am going to explain to you about benefits of reishi mushrooms, so let's go to the topic. Viewers, mushrooms and medicinal mushrooms are really having a renaissance at the moment. This is in line with the adaptogenic herbs because these mushrooms also have adaptogenic properties, and what I'm talking to you about is reishi mushroom. It's also known as the mushroom of immortality, so that might give you a hint that this mushroom is used to help support and boost immune function. Now this is important because a healthy immune function means the body's other systems can get on with their other jobs, and you can also have more energy, more vitality throughout the day now, as it works as an adaptogen. What you can also expect is some nervous system support, so I like reishi to help with immune function and also to support the nervous system. So what we've done at Faushi is that we've taken organic fresh ground reishi mushroom, and we then encapsulate it in our London workshop within 3 days. This ensures that you get maximum quality and potency. Thanks for watching this informational video. If you want to keep watching more informative video, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon button for upcoming new informative videos. Thank you.